on chromosomes, you can find these little bands, these little strips that we made using these beads. Yeah, fantastic. And each one of these genes is in charge of a trait. Now, normally I'm a high school biology and anatomy teacher. I usually teach seniors in high school. So this is a really interesting and enjoyable change over the summer. It's cool to give the kids what I think is an ideal way of learning science. Really hands-on, like a small classroom, and fun. What we're going to do is, you already listening? We're going to try and get the DNA out of these strawberries. Now remember, every single living thing is made up of cells. So that means that these strawberries have cells, just like this. So imagine that this is a strawberry cell. We have to get inside of the strawberry cell to take out the DNA. So the first thing we're going to have to do is we're going to have to break up those cells so that the nucleus is going to be out, so we can do something next. Yeah, the way we're going to do that is we're going to mash up our strawberries. You have to give your child so many opportunities to get turned on to everything. Whenever students interact with things, whether it's science or English or at museums or at parks, they might not have a good experience, or they might not be paying attention that day, or it's just that one moment that just kind of clicks for them. They just remember some of these experiments that we do, or at a museum when they touch things or they see things, and that one experience could turn them on and get them interested in a subject for the rest of their lives. And they might have these interests, and unless they have exposure, they just will never know that they can be good at things and be interested in things. Multiple exposures to anything is fantastic. And just realizing that science is so different from just sitting in a classroom and writing down definitions and things like that, or watching videos, can really provide them with an opportunity to expand their minds on what they can be when they grow up, or what they can be interested in. It's just another opportunity. I would say that what always strikes me is just the age group. I'm so not used to the kids. I mean, they have such unadulterated, uninhibited enjoyment of everything they do. And teaching seniors, every day I strive for some kind of feedback or participation or something, and these kids are just ready to soak up anything that I'll tell them. They just so quickly attach themselves to people that show interest in them. Just all of these kids saying that, you know, I had a really great time, and why can't you come back tomorrow, and are you going to be here next summer? And seeing these kids, and I've seen them from like 2nd grade and 3rd grade, all the way to 6th grade, and growing up, and it's shocking. And then sometimes they come back to help out, just want to be a part of it, and it's just really, it's very rewarding.